In this video, I will show you how to delete page in Word. This should be a quick and easy tutorial, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Now, here we are. As you can see, I've currently got this Word document opened, and as you can see, we've got a page here, but if we actually scroll down, there's a couple of extra blank pages. Now, if you want to go ahead and actually delete this, so you've got something like mine where you've got some extra blank pages or something like that, then all you want to do is come up to the top and come to the end of the last sentence or paragraph that you wrote, and then click to add your cursor at the end of the word. Now, once you've done that, what you want to do is hold down the delete key on your keyboard, and when you start doing this is actually going to delete those blank pages. So you'll see now, if I actually scroll down, that we've only got this one page with our word on. So in order to understand why this can happen sometimes, it's generally due to the paragraphing and section breaks. Now, what you can do is actually check this. If I actually undo this, so we've got those blank pages back. So there we are, I've added my extra pages back in. Now, if you actually come up to the top, you want to make sure you're on home first of all. And what you want to do is click onto this icon here, which says show all. Now, what this does, it shows paragraph marks and other hidden formatting symbols that you're not necessarily going to see. So you can see for the purpose of this tutorial that I've just gone ahead and added a ton of different paragraphs, which has obviously created this new page. So this is a really helpful tool to use, and it can help when you're creating documents on where section breaks are, which is going to create a new page and paragraphs and things like that. So that's a quick overview on how to delete page in Word. With that being said, if this quick tutorial did help you out today, then I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.